In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it turned grey. That means that location is disabled. To enable it, click on the same shortcut until it's blue. You can also go into Settings, scroll down to find Location section, and when you find it, click on it. Then use this switcher next to Use Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!